Hi, this is Shravya. I actually came from Andhra Pradesh, and in MITSOD I pursued my systems course from batch 2013 to 15. Right now I'm working as business system analyst in Sigma Systems in Pune itself. MITSOD has been proving itself since its inception in terms of academics, corporate relations as well as the placements. Academics is something which is important for all the students to turn themselves into the corporates. It is not like the syllabus is designed only for one time. For every year in MITSOD, Board of Studies meet is held where top-notch companies, corporates will be discussing in MITSOD about all the current happenings based on which the syllabus is changed every year. So, and coming to the placement is something which is the dream come true for all the students. So, I guess MITSOD has proven itself in placing the students and keeping themselves in the key roles in the companies. As well as along with the Board of Studies meet, there were various meets conducted like finance meet, HR meet, where the students were exposed to the corporate relations and also come to know regarding the current scenarios and current situations where they can land up in the corporate life. I'm here because it is only of MITSOD, and above all, I would like to thank all the faculty members and all the management of MITSOD for placing me in such a right place where I can prove myself in the career. And above all, MITSOD is of the students, by the students and for the students. Thank you.